Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a drone tour of the Falmouth cruise ship pier or the Falmouth cruise ship terminal. Now this terminal won the award for World's Best Cruise Terminal in 2021. The World's Best Cruise Terminal. It also won the award for the Caribbean Best Cruise Terminal. So this is a state-of-the-art facility located in Falmouth, which is on the north coast of Jamaica. Falmouth is located in the parish of Trelawney. It's very close to Montego Bay and very close to Ocho Rios. So when passengers come in on the cruise ships, they can get to the top tourist attractions in Jamaica, which are in Ocho Rios, very quickly on the Northern Coastal Highway, and they can also get to Montego Bay very easily on the Northern Coastal Highway. Now, this terminal is managed by the Port Authority of Jamaica, and they recently stated Falmouth sets the standard for the Caribbean's cruise terminals, and this is basically the best of the best when it comes to cruise terminals. And some of the largest ships in the world, actually the largest ship in the world, docks here at Falmouth. So this terminal, it's some of the largest ships in the world dock here. Now, Royal Caribbean, along with Carnival Cruise Lines, they have the biggest vessels in the world. And not only does Jamaica have a long-standing partnership with Royal Caribbean is also a major shareholder in the Falmouth port. So that means the Oasis class ships or vessels that Royal Caribbean operates dock at this port. So we're talking about the Oasis of the Seas, the Allure of the Seas, Harmony of the Seas, and the Symphony of the Seas. And the largest and newest ship in the world, the Wonder of the Seas, docks calls upon this port. So Falmouth is the number one port in Jamaica, in the Caribbean, and it won the award in 2021 for the world's best cruise terminal. And naturally, such a world-class facility, you're going to have the largest ships in the world calling on the port. So this is a very nice facility. So enjoy the drone tour. And also, another reason why these ships call on this port is because Jamaica is a major tourist destination. So people want to go to Dunn's River Falls. People want to go to Mystic Mountain. People want to go to Dolphin Cove. People want to tour Jamaica. So Jamaica is a top tourist destination. And yes, we have the airports that bring people in, but cruising is a big industry, and these cruise ship ports will definitely help to bring people to Jamaica. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.